Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning unit 4. Its title is A Brave Soldier. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of grammar, we are going to learn about adjectives. Before this, in English for grade 2, I have taught you about describing words, and describing words are adjectives. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to identify describing words as adjectives and use adjectives of quantity, quality, size, shape, and color. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah An-Nur, verse 58. This is how Allah makes the revelation clear to you, for Allah is all-knowing, all-wise. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Beta, this beautiful verse is telling us the attributes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah is all-knowing. Whatever we do, whatever we say, whatever we think, whatever is in our heart, Allah knows that. And Allah is all-wise. Whatever Allah plans for us, that is the best. So such type of words which tells us about someone or something, those are known as describing words. We have learnt about it in grade 2. So now you tell me, what are describing words or adjectives, and what do describing words tell or describe? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you could recall that describing words tell us something about naming word. So adjective tells something about noun. Brown hair. Now, hair is noun, brown is adjective, and what this adjective is telling us? Color of hair, right? So it is adjective of color. Orange shirt, right? Shirt is noun, orange is adjective of color, so this adjective is telling us color of this noun, right? Red shoes. So adjective is telling us about noun. Long neck. Neck is noun, and we know giraffes have long neck. Long is adjective of size. This adjective is telling us size of this noun. Small baby. Baby is noun. Small is adjective, and it is what type of adjective it is? It is adjective of size. Okay. Narrow lane. This is a street, a very narrow street. So lane is noun, narrow is adjective, and it is telling size of this. And shape as well. Round ball. Ball is noun and round is adjective of shape. This adjective is telling us the shape of this noun, right? So this is how adjective describes a noun. Pretty girl, rainy weather, many cats. Now many is adjective of number, a lot of, many. Some eggs, again some is adjective of number. So this is how adjective tells us number of noun as well. So let's see, what does your book say about it. All of you open your book on page number 27. Adjectives. Adjectives are the words that tell something about nouns. So a word that tells something about a noun is adjective. For example, long tail, sharp knife, black cow, big elephant, some milk, big house, bright boy, etc. right? So this is how an adjective tells us something about a noun. It can be color, it can be size, it can be quality, it can be quantity, and many more. Okay, all right, so let's practice it through an activity. Pair students up and ask them to describe each other. Okay, and you have to use all kinds of adjectives while describing your friend, your partner. Okay, so teacher, kindly make pairs of students and let them describe each other and help them wherever they need. Pause the video, enjoy the activity, and kindly come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time to practice from your book. It's question number 10. What you are going to do, adjectives are given on one side and nouns are given on the other side in column B. So you have to match an adjective with an appropriate noun. For example, one has been done for you, wet towel. And next is green, green grass. Okay, so you will keep reading the adjectives and match them with appropriate noun in column B. Pause the video, complete this task in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good. Smart work. Let's give you a homework. You will search all the adjectives from this story. Okay, in this unit, wherever you find an adjective, so search it and write these adjectives in your notebook. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned that adjectives are the words which tell more about nouns, and we learned the adjectives can be of different types, right? We can classify adjectives as quantity, quality, size, shape, color, etc. Right? So in this way, we achieved our SLO to identify describing words as adjectives and use adjectives of quantity, quality, size, shape, and color. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.